outside, the stabilization and the picture. I'll see you then. Really clear picture.
Yeah, what do you have it on? 4K 30 or 1080p?
But you know, the difficult of that is very slow to download.
Oh, yeah. You can always change it, but I found... whoop, whoop.
So here we are.
Maybe somebody...
trying to get the camera rolling for a test.
Holy smoke.
What's the...
The troopers and... Look, the troopers there too. Somebody must have been on 95 and the troopers were chasing them and they came here. Had to be. Because it didn't have to be, but I'm like, why would the troopers be here?
Police everywhere.
Let's go this way. I'm going to turn into...
Andy, block it. Look.
I know, I'm turning into Panda. So you can get SWATs here. SWATs here.
Look. Oi.
I do your live.
What's in there?